Hello, this is Mad Cow Maddie. Today we are going to learn how to fold our yarn. So, if you put your pinky and your pointer finger out and your other two fingers back, set the yarn right in the middle, and there you go. So, making my slip knot. You can watch my video on slip knots if you haven't. Put your hook in there, and then here I'm going to do it again. So you put it between pointer finger and pinky, in and out, and with that you can hold it tighter between your pinky and ring finger just to help you get some tension. That if you don't hold it tight enough, your work will end up getting too loose. Here's another way you can hold it. I don't really like to hold it this way, but I've seen other people hold it that way. I've also seen them wrap it around their pinky. Yeah, I mean, it's whatever works for you, but my favorite way is the first way that I showed you. Anyways, thank you for watching my video. Have a good evening. Bye.